Stop scrolling because I'm about to show you 3 powerful ways to hide apps on your iPhone. And the last one is the best way. Alright, first method. Super simple. Tap and hold on any app. Then tap Remove App. And choose Remove from Home Screen. That's it. The app is now gone from your home screen, but it's not deleted. You can still find it in the app library or just search for it. Easy, but not very secret, right? Let's level it up. Second method. This one hides a whole page of apps. Tap and hold anywhere on your home screen, then tap on these dots right above the dock. Now you'll see all your pages. Just uncheck any page you want to hide, tap done, and boom, that entire screen of apps is gone. But again, those apps are still searchable and you can find them in the app library. So if you want real privacy, this last method is the one. Third method, the best one. Tap and hold on an app. Then tap Require Face ID. Now you'll see two options. First, Require Face ID, which just locks the app. But the second option, Hide and Require Face ID, this is the powerful one. Tap that and now the app is completely hidden and locked. So where did it go? Go to your app library, scroll all the way down and you will see a hidden folder. Tap it, authenticate with Face ID and only then you will see your hidden apps. And here is the best part. If you use this method, the app won't even show up in search. So no one can find it unless they have your Face ID. Now that is real privacy. If this helped, like the video, make sure to follow for more iPhone tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.